Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then makes, in this situation, a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price opened and where it was at its lows compared to where the price actually closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls certainly did make a nice move today. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And the first thing before we get to this area we need to do is update a foundational rule in charting, which states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And what I'm going to do is I want to give the bulls a little bit of leeway. So I'm going to move this line down to 22.5 cents. So why is 22.5 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 22.5. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that channel that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of the channel, and then starts to work its way upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as the 22.5 cent mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? As it stands right now, the key level of resistance that really stands out to me is right up here at the 25 cent mark. A quick trip down memory lane, you can see that 25 rejected the price down there, and then several times today rejected the price. So while I'm not saying 25 cents is impossible to break, apparently according to the chart, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only break above it, but then also get some closes up above it. Anyway, you slice it though, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.